Hello folks, this is Wes from B&B Audio, and what do we have today? We have a Bentley in for the Kenwood flagship 9 series head unit, which has just about everything. This one has been installed with a custom panel, and we're well known for these Bentley kits. This has got a Kenwood 9 series in with everything you can think of. So navigation there, so we've got full normal GPS, go home. You've got DAB and all the usual functions you would think. Apple and Android, which is wireless, so there's Apple CarPlay and so forth. Full control. Now the beauty of this, on a sunny day you can change the glare, adjust the angle, which is pretty awesome and something that's not really available anymore. And for the older guys, there's still a CD DVD player in. If you're interested in something like this and you want to bring your Bentley up to date, we've got quite a few hundred of these under our belt, so you're definitely coming to the best. Give us a shout. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275, part of the KENWOOD Pro Install scheme. Thank you.